ntimi draw depo so omo na no abon kesi wo mpa oni nyumpo draw nti we say we can say omo taking over track crampo na on draw from A to Z am guy no Ghana one contribute fe nti onom no oye only talent bia was aside nti ono crampo there so or guiding na was so timi di no ti
na obi need talent. Too much GH. Remember kwaba shonko eba energy medei eso. Munya bana na ama owusu eni na dano en sama trendy eno enamde to dwa ema mo ahwefo eni etiefo musu munye bi ete na akwai say for quite some time now no room of the brain enam from mo efa SM movement ewo meche Shatawale no record label a we bi ate say wafa militant ene nkofo keka won se won mbo ano no so asan won so mutimi to nyom ema record label no so engine din na rumors in there na the fact say ni militants brebi atwe won do ma bon nyom bebre na hu dodo na ni videos won nam no omo nia no wayi omadi efi ne camp no na akwa say ate 70 na chese Ghana for yentimi nya ene strong evidence be admit me back say empire no kware say na yatete won from say na asem no ACTF cause say SM movement fan back o anidin di Shatta Bianca your white lady enu betu dwa e won Facebook page say won tell say de ntia enkofo a chese wo rest show mu trust them na wa fa wo mu say wo be bo mo no be eche no wa chese o max snitch on you Oma cancel go so nsema nya no kware ma ka fa ho na afi de omo de gu wani ase na de end ya kra wo mu say omo de gu wani ase na wa wodi na we ye form so no mo sa de nam e de say wodi no ekọ kane eno no be kan na Shatawale ankansa mu e be reply wa say oda na se pa say onim de ekọ so no so abe comment na wo mu say ono enye nipa boni ni nti no e na confirm allegations ne say see ade de militant no wo mo nka SM movement no emu ebiem na any still na ye trend say Shatawale de beba official report beba abonti na obi ati say ampa we dey fi the main boss the no one work na asem ampa ye trend so Shatawale wa ba abonti no be kire mu say de enti potin a wo pamu militant for free ni camp no say wo mu ya kwadwofo ye ka adwumaden say ye adwuma bo homoden na build bibia wo mu mpe de omo pe ane say ade beche no madidi no mada no motete wo hwe nko hwe ma enu ane de omo pe so me bibia omo pe so de omo nsabeka omo nan kra omo pe se ebeka na ebiem so no wo sa kire mu say ye cat talent nimdie efa we enokra gift anya popon de ma tese won nyum tu mo metimi abuild dai bibi no sa de no omo ni bi creativity ni omo afa wo mu ni talent omo no se ye build nyama nyama fa tese oye bibi na ade ni so ni na efe no omo ni bi ba ko se ewo mu ebiem so sa de to aso omo ye bad investment wodi ni sika ehye omo se wo build omo no fa so bi enu a efi omo mu eba enti wono krampo no waboka ewo mu so wenya hwe so enfi omo so no enti omo ye bad investment and wo mu bie mu so omo ntimi enjro enwumpa wo de pen ne paper to so wo de bie wadwim chori bi lyrics bi na yefa na enwum na eja yemfa build record label no hwe nu eba wo ntimi age Shatawale na mu asa chro enwum na bie mu asa de mo se wo mo mbo enu to hu ni se na embo apa de wo mu fe bi embo no nti ena wote wo mo ticket edman no wono a etre ni nsem ni say ena wo kan yo say I gave them their ticket in January this year. I sacked them a long time, but they released nonsense music in WhatsApp groups, and people believe I wrote those songs. And no any asema wodi to our Facebook live video. No channel say. Oh no, or you omo di kra che January what ompo and opam omo kra efi SM camp one o pam omo kra yi omo chi edem omo kra ewo ho. Na still na akwa say womu di ni din church nyum de to WhatsApp group so ubo na enyum bia kopi WhatsApp group we bu ne ka so militant fo ya na abo Shatawale mpo na chole lyrics man na chese enyum no kra nyansa bi enim nkwasa sem nkwa na chese omo di gu enim ase ene ne record label chese no omo pa chese wono kra no hwenu a obetimi de abo no agasa mu no so nim so talented entu omo fa ne din engu nenim ase nti ene no so aba bonti abe church ma chega na for se ne beti ase se ade joint 77 Natalie Adi Self ene Katan womo nka Shatawale record label no ehun bim Shatter Movement record label no woman ni mu bim enti ono mo to kwata o ma pai obi enu a wo engofofo we mu a o mo ka no ho bim enti o mo so mato mo enti o mo wo baby na ye tese o mo ye bibi no mo de eye SMD atag on Ghana for ye empower mo cry because se see ade de wo mo nka SM record label no na sa ensensem we any ye reactions are about Ghana for adwenkyere bi e de beto dwa no eno nti na too much GHS ho nkonya se be di ho enkomo eno nti mato nsa e de afem yankasa menwa bema e Andy Teflon Jebre ye twan ho aba ye ba ye de nkomo no e be hye so Andy Teflon
my dear
ma kwa bashunku mi hu shade to pe na mi mashi mi
no be cancer no
obe cancel
you be papa na dissect na bisecting
you say via bokode
nyame adom na so
nyame adom so me hu ye go straight to the point ye Shatawale and some of the other two justices say they say it's no canon say a room on nam for me a confirmed say on the militant no woman issue ye bin then our dream found
okay they kind of meet ya na fa kwa akonya we ni chawo etifo manam MS I can say Shatter Movement nsense me course we ache mo mbaden na e behind the mo camp na mo ni media course but then officially na obi amba out so say some lady be out be confirm SSCC and I watch Shatawale live video on Facebook. I will try to explain it here.
Okay.
Osaki
and live video no and some of revelation be to done here based on for any
and ocha guy back in particular at the self no some guy who on wide dread at the self on na say or manipulative militants na say or say my job or politics or my say as a Shatter no cramp no Shatter am go on bi as if you mudi ne chisa mu nya faso bi abo so me career and no at the self no so say osa oba ne nyama was so 20 and was say militants ne this edidi Shatawale chisa so mo so mutu bi like almost so meet me ejina mo na so ka say anya artist we na produce nti no say no as sa be kan say 7 course no one guy e wo my friend captain no na say na dey no go down with him as a enko sumu yi bageti
and no feel good about
so feel good also do say ono so e ha no say omo nyum na nkran me ne ma na o say sa part na e ha no but then as a omo boss na say omo no me job back na say back feature as say omo boss a choma ono dey na on feel okay nti as ono frɛ Shatawale na o man information so say ni say na e ko ono mo campaign say side be say me side omo course in a artist say yen juma na ko out but then as a at the self no e politi adwen fa o say say ni say onum na on pe on feel comfortable nti e be ya sa dia on frɛ omo ina na on show omo na on timi chess on timi count omo nim say ni say na the self kind nti open sa nti say na revelation the buy nti which means as one bad night na betom na o say omo ina and as o say omo na no so as other three in falling in line as in a way no omo jere so as a
money ni ya dream
money ya dream after as money almost that pass information if almost leak information free camp no ko other side as almost say Shatter chain ko phone ni wan say Shatter anya hwe mo but then same Shatter no so ko show Shatter na ma mo cast amodipi join 77 fear out team or is the gone some year greenhouse we Shatter the mawo mo say anya ko bo show o ma mo look good anya join 77 anya hwe camp no anya hwe mo kai anya o ma mo recognition bi ageti ana oni mo asa the moto joint back so ma anyum no blow here
nti omo ye traitors no
one guy actually no what was I said how be na but then one guy na after all you person standing out na say Charlie if you do this ana ya kan su DH
ye we bibi wa say Shatawale ya kasa ne kasa e mo o kire say omo ye lazy won yi ba ko enfimo say group no militants no omo ye lazy at the cell of joint 77 captain any woman mo kan woni ano omo ye lazy ena ebiem so no omo ye talentless ye kasa ye adwuma to ho ade about music make good music and let the fans enjoy talent na dey music uni talent out me music obi choma crap na uni talent out me bringing it out enunti say mwenya SM boss say Shatawale no ye very creative now they sometimes go premier lyrics now say okay muye me record label sign me me boam in this way na muntimi nye na all of the time no mumu cut down or no rise is it his fault say edu baby or person on palm at the self na fan person
And I say, we are person palm on tea, I'm fan a personal. As I come person who feel free, no more projects on person way. Like
that's it. From the way I Shatawale can know, or more opportunities.
No, as I miss some
Okay.
per the video, Shatawale just said, as a and you know one or more to be about, but then you know you're good enough for the population. I said for the listeners, no. I get into trivia or to sell chong say, and you remember Mamma see, Munya see. I don't know if you are a kind of listeners in the Facos on Shatawale Nanya or you say, it's your look at some mom's side direction, and I said, and go down well with Uncophone because that's a on person just as a Shatawale in the person chong, young person with your baby, as a shot and so Shatini, as a person, as a Shata Besso, or more yet your no pet. Abraham was going to meet Mamma better in Bashatawale to chair, some better than a human and fat, because if you are also on your manam. Now share and you more matter more release on their own and you're good enough. Into no person guide your and go down well with the money back on about.
Now is it wrong in doing that? Because on no your more or no what form on the record label so and anything they produce no. If it's good it's credit to on the record label. If it's bad a shame for on the record label. And it is if I'm the record label boss, now who here I don't have any right to put my point out say oh it's good. It's not good enough. Me need right to make us
or every right sell with my mom like guidelines. I get it. And I'm also a artist that mobile want to. And I was there with me dictating mom all the time. Which means I only maybe I only ban one feel okay. And I said, Shatawale we share interview we can say live video or just say join service at the self no it's been draw depot. So I'm now no abon kesi wumpa. Only new potro. Into if you say we can say almost taking over track and crampuna on a throw from A to Z. Am I Ghana one contributive fee into one or only talent via was outside into one campo there. So or guiding our so ultimately no
now Obi need talent, how you then signing about record label?
Oh, maybe I may be a loyalty, maybe I'm sure no. Into if you don't know specific you'll pay or more based on say your best signing on our bomb career. And only one of the edges on one percent of my reason behind a time I was signing on one artists they signing on my some platforms been media press personal sabana but then when we have some basin it's one of the intimate but maybe the moon say be a then be a loyal to normal anything be a person no bomb.
Asemba Kuswa Shatawale did 2 January said they got angry when I told them to write songs he and SM fans will be proud of. Or say ombufuye e broadcast say omonum to our church and I work at the say at this self cramp on twin chon papa biano. Na mo boss say oh Edwin still na mu into the industry. You are musicians at least when you have recognition ka krebi and ka SM say me the militants for batan. Eti mu some recognition ka can talk say ye nyoma SM fans for no ga say mu omote no mu hu a wo ni beji wo metima brag of it and no bone akwan so.
Oh, and
record label signing ebufu.
Oh, and bone, but then once nipa and as no be afa we receive a message. One maybe I know for the benefit of the person, but then we only say be a crowd feel said like Adam in Nimian Salamatunio Markham, the any bone, but then no say nipa and as person will be receive the kind of information or very active. If you are several company but then no one say yes from the and I was sure almost will be a more in match. It's almost who say beer and was a Shatawale impose on us or show by force type of music saying or some putting out there. It's a Gavia Commune say Bianca guidelines will be a Ohan Macarin say Befan give you okay, but then Shatawale chair or more than you like and sounding the other person show almost also more than
nice. Asian record labels artists are almost signing almost fellow artists. You sako dear success the empire as signing with strong man. I think it's Tiflo cry. One signing Tiflo, okay, strong man. And they after the bad blood, the big bow, boom, we feel say I am too good. You are not allowing me to express my good side. And that's all my main film talent me. No, nay chemuko. Even Links Entertainment the crown puno. Share some of them way. Almost Chinese are almost free on most of the times on the bad notes because manager near artists into maybe on the way of music no say obi obe sign be and follow that same trend of say send on all yen and pepper and I say always no person showing superiority over the Chinese no one is any the case between SM boss Shatawale militants no
a bit maybe the same thing but other record labels instead they has all kinds of there and you'll be an idea bad blood, but one maybe on the contract in India, and say, or standing on his own. But then on with this one, the same we as or channel or Shellington as a more movie.
And they are there a year about a year artists or more record labels almost signing other artists and them. A idea woman who say every time they want their spirituality to be known, say, Obey told me a senior than you, so know that I am a senior to you. And to be out here, answer, I said, oh, yeah, man, up on seniority, so now I said, Bibi, Koyi, or
miniature says, but I bet now. I said,
almost they are good on their own.
And yes, they are hopefully say, I'm coming to me and young, chance, no more for Modia.
But being a part of a record label means the chance is there. You have the opportunity to bring out the talent.
Being a part of a record label and guarantee we always release track anyhow.
Oh, okay.
Anything now if you have big acts, no one person will be called into record labels or Ghana. On the come cramp, I just say be on their own terms. I get it. But then we have coming and yes, be out self-made artists being out better than that. We have community and I was say, ultimately superior now. Now yeah, the way person your mouth.
Your Grace say Shatta Wale didn't take the militants as musicians, he took them as bodyguard. Way AOB comment to the about a year militant they say they own car SM for him. Or say Shatta Wale ni previous intention here or form someone can cry bodyguard thing because you're here beginning obo shows or by as dance or king no obo shows niano no more what da. And so no angasa ba bonti abeka say omu ye Chinese omu militant I was sign no to on record label before Becca said the normal nam no ho or both shows and no didn't know the mic no more said the omu back na so mu protecting him obi say of omu as the bodyguards na omu need talent for becoming artist on a record label.
Well, big like cause if say shut up bodyguard I won't go for slim boys who apart from maybe a captain maybe a Becca so you know company body na Lato Jinwa said that bala any is of a bodyguard or Sika I'll wait me their far bodyguard and I don't think say go for bodyguard purpose.
Let's no more what that. Most of the times no answer na Oga Bontebe can say omu ne Chinese no. Now most of the shows of no mujeja and who ask the boys
anytime I make us from the beginning maybe a loyalty maybe a show no.
Loyalty.
Maybe a loyalty on super say or bomb maybe a gumi kakana.
As I cannot say, unim say bet me they are hit to bad. So signing a musician or an artist on board or record label, no, is it based on loyalty? Say, oh, yeah, loyalty and now you have to watch out for the talent first.
I think say talent first, but then obo no maybe an age man ko ni me ba be age man ope. Nti be also only way I'll bet me there born and say be over supporting no. I get it. O share kan send and say be a nkofo nkola bi am abaya from Asari Richie ni Alkaline Riches. Some short skits be done that way. Funny Kumasi boys. Those are more on our sack or they have posted on videos. Now kind of say 3 success or posted. And I say boys and some more sack fans say oh the champs who Kumasi or Atlantic. Until be a sack or this one is in the form of and I say we are also bit media be a promoted boys or the over posted boys no the timeline so. And you see another way of supporting and I say helping go for almost stay loyal to you.
And this our boys now come so bet my sign no more about the record label.
So some musicians, some
so your manager. I know your artist manager be.
Why?
Sakode.
Musicians into on means and a success or music nko.
Music nko. Okay. Okay, Matiwa say. And just say a day militant for so BMC already almost snitch on Shatta Wale after say omo bad blood by omo break it up. Almost snitch on so. Dear neba Emma artist after say omo record label bosses in Temati na fi dia dan nsem kika na fi dia onam ha na me boss say I dey so no net na un complain.
Okay, so far no kind of saying militants no be any our complaining so far because we share Shatta was your pamo January time but then up till now no not even can be any say because
so omo hear music to WhatsApp group utie omo hear
no even can still out news now more radio on the militant name no and I said the SME into grandpa then na be just say be almost nechi and I say be almost say Shatta
now more radio on the militant team now they born no no
if say artist say e be am contract and I say only o sign in no I can say sign in ne onipa na record label and say mo e be ye pamo be and I say we are the bar out and mo be but then no na shut down for bibi amba out nti omo zo mu no say be a chance so far as shut down for bibi amba out and then you no find publicity for your music na ya.
Okay, rumors having it say Shatawale any yapu no omo beef never no a militant for ya and a snitchy war Shatawale so Emma yapu no
a militant snitchy
at the self and a cocan and Tokano yapu no come Emma a beef never a woman team.
No.
How true is it? A room on time so question. And yet true. Oh yeah, sure.
Far from that cry.
It at the self you or Nangasa militant mean team no or Shas yes that is all yeah.
No Saga Nangasa who should have as a me because Nancy I can say Sako de distract my Shatawale because of a bossa Kuriniama. And my guy be one guy we could smoke a bear distract Rama Shatawale. At the citizen, I'm same at the self guy we are back. I can say Facebook Live was Instagram Live. I've been threatening boy inside on board and I don't know in the Shatawale yes. That time now, that time is over a bear match we am. But then you're sucking a bear
January.
2000 start not doing him. I get it.
And me shouldn't personality I say because at the self Yako from what you stated from the beginning no. Oche so no an idea again a buy or militant for
say if say be me no bad blood I me person be ho a e wechi na me ye no now we need no my test la me.
And why are you on it say yapu no beef no and no cause here because from what I have here no rumor state say on no can sem snitchy e kakra wo Shatawale chi e kire yapu no I cause beef.
You sure I say only mo hwe I started or show be a course or keep coast so but then I say I barely on na was some perform but na Shatawale or headline show nti I was like Punum perform Ejawale. Nti I say Wale and the boys never fan each perform and I say meaning say organizers na match Shatawale perform here. Nti I say hono like Puno I'm feeling okay. Nti one of them be start free. Nti I self there only mo share.
But rumors this is that say after beef no what happened in Cape Coast no after now or ma issues I also SM camp no or possibility ma yapu no mani throw shot at him.
Oh no, I said I can say TB tracks so I send them no camp on don't na anya campus
okay. And till when they say Shatawale say abe confirm say wa pamo militant no ne kwan so no so on pamo mo keke.
On say pamo no share the video I can say video no here no. And they no kwan so cause in the first place no agasa na wa mamo na akas am yusu obi wa ka wa mamo fi am dem ni nyama and I'm also am on fast camba on the craft ni bi o ko show na mamo 100 million 50 million mo fa share mo mo di na chi se bodyguard mo sa mo nya hwe and I share wrong investment because mo face ke bi amba won say we for ko shoulder o mo mbo show mo nya hwe nti o mo fa income bi amba o mo hye wale sika na na
ene Shatawale na e wo boss nti wa nko mo nko bi Shatawale na e boss
mo ye we ene ta shata se mo asana wo se mo style like music na wo se mo music na se so what you see ube hu style ube draft wo e kan say content no nti say o ma mo sa guidelines we na mean na still out we feature for me e ko we chi ne boys na so politi o ma say shata class ya say lady bu o Germany o say for our brochi be we friend I can say self no friend kan say shata anya hwe mo no anya hwe mo so mo grateful act bi ni ane me so sha nkoyi I get it pamo na so pamo
no say o asa be kan wa
ana nyame na etu omoka nyame ti na etu omoka o hwe follow back no bi de bia shata the secret ana yes say if say boss any obi enya case a enya onipa na enya case your boss ni onipa na enya case but then no share videos no so mu tinetire no mu ye bi and then nyame na etu omoka no say o mo asa yen kan afa no mo boss anga sa be kan nti dia no mo ye mo de yen nkofo na wo heli wechi no enwa ketia no munya no
etola be ka say omo ya attempt omo retaliate with another video obebu omo Shatawale one man one standing mo wait ma play
so me unu se na no on dey na no but then no and also motivate out cause no shata so dey o squad actually
obet ba bo
want me bo mo ka bi anya me fans be bo Shatawale dey sa mebo ne anu but then on me so fans o meet my youth man
say ganyo bi ganyo bi Shatawale e go for the die
and on no we tension kekere kita nkokoti kwa onye hwe
we say for e ka say a train same way akọ ni ma ne be pie fuma ba no e nsem pi eno nti aha ene ne ye de nkomo no ebesi me Andy Teflon ene twetwe enkomo say wo opinions be about and say wo any question be a person be say bia Ubetimi edia tudra ewe too much GH comment section ho no na ebepe mu no ye be kenkan ne yi ano so edia ma ofefefe ebia mu so no video we wo ho kwan se wo be share edia ma dofo bibia obeombia on all the social media platform. Sesi ade ubetimi follow too much GH ewo Instagram @too much GH_. Midin edina na ama owusu a